और इनका बहुत एक्सपीरियंस है। इन्होंने साथ साथ ग्राउंड में भी शेयर करते नज़र आ रहा था बाहर से भी, और साथ में कोचेस की एफर्ट और भाई जो लड़कों ने एफर्ट किया है मैच पे बाई मैच, तो उससे हमें विन मिली है।
तो बहुत ही शानदार परफॉर्मेंस रही आपकी थ्रू आउट द टूर्नामेंट। तो क्या खास कर रहे थे, क्या अलग कर रहे थे आप इस टूर्नामेंट में जो इतनी कामयाबी मिली है?
कुछ नहीं, सिंपल था। पीछे जो हमारा कैंप लगा था 4-5 माह का, उधर कोचेस ने सही हेल्प करवाई है, साथ में मेहनत भी करवाई है, चीज़ें भी बताई हैं, और जो उधर किया और इधर हमें हेल्प मिली उससे।
अली रज़ा, अब यहाँ से वर्ल्ड कप की तैयारी होगी, कितना मैटर करेगी ये जीत वर्ल्ड कप पे जाते हुए?
सबसे पहले तो बड़ी एक शुक्र अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हमारे ड्रेसिंग रूम में जिस तरह हमारे मेंटोर हैं सैफ़ी भाई हैं, जिस तरह उन्होंने चैम्पियन ट्रॉफी जितवाई, राव भाई हैं, इन्होंने 2009 का वर्ल्ड कप का टीम का हिस्सा थे, तो हमारे लिए एक बड़ी ऑनर की बात है। हाजी भाई हैं 1992 93 में, तो हमारे साथ एक्सपीरियंस लाइक कोचेज़ है, मैनेजमेंट में, फील्डिंग में। मेरे से आज क्या ड्रॉप हुआ पर अनफॉर्चुनेटली पिछले, तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मैं सोच रहा था, प्रेशर भी था और उससे निकलना है एज अ सीनियर, बट कोशिश की थी, अल्लाह ने उसका अच्छा सिला दिया। और फील्डिंग में मैं काम कर रहा था मंसूर भाई के साथ, जिस तरह एनसीए में मोती भाई के साथ, और अभी अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मैंने एक्शन के ऊपर आकब भाई ने मेरे साथ काम किया था, और मैं उस चीज़ को रिलाय कर रहा था कि अगले मैच में करूँगा, अगले में करूँगा, बट नहीं था, और मैं ट्राई कर रहा था अपनी बेस्ट से बेस्ट कर। और राव भाई हमें मुझे पूरा सपोर्ट कर रहे थे, इस्बान को सपोर्ट कर रहे थे, श्याम को, सब लड़कों को सपोर्ट कर रहे थे एज अ फास्ट बॉलिंग यूनिट, और हमारा अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह आपस में बड़ा अच्छा कम्बिनेशन था और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है।
सियालकोट से आपका ताल्लुक है, जश्न शुरू हो गया होगा, मैच वहाँ देख रहे होंगे, फॉलो कर रहे हैं आपकी परफॉर्मेंस बैक होम?
जी बिल्कुल ऐसा ही है, वो जश्न काढ़े होंगे, वो देख भी रहे थे साढ़े, तो खुशी की बात है मेरे लिए भी और उनके लिए भी।
तो चलिए अब चलते हैं अपने फेलो कमेंटेटर की तरफ। फिदाई, आप क्या रेडी हैं या मैं और बात कर सकता हूँ? चलिए ये लिए।
Thank you, Ali. It was great to listen to young and excited Ali Raza. And he put a lot of history across of who was when doing what and supporting him. And this is great to see as Pakistan sports staff and the players go out and do a great thing. They're meeting the crowd who has been here since morning, supporting all of them. And they've G'd them up every moment. And what a wonderful response from the Pakistan players, putting up a great show. And in the end, getting the success, getting the trophy, and gifting it to the people of Pakistan who were out there in their support, coloring their hair into green, pulling up the green shirts.
Well, Fidai is out there with the coaching and support staff of this Pakistan under-19 side. Let's hear from them. I'm joined by Rao Iftikhar, the bowling coach, successful bowling coach, all the matches and 10 wickets every game. Congratulations. What does this victory mean?
Alhamdulillah, it means a lot to all of us because we worked for this from last 6 months. So we started this journey back in May. So we prepared this for Asia Cup and World Cup. So one thing achieved, another is to achieve.
Well, absolutely. The under-19 World Cup, just a few days and months away to say. So how happy you are as the bowling coach from the bowling unit?
Obviously, when you win and you feel happy because you are part of the team, and the way we performed, the way we improved day by day after game after game. So I'm very pleased with the performances of the boys.
And so how happy were you with your bowling and knowing that they were defending 348? So what was the plan?
We wanted to show that how good we are in both the departments, and luckily in the first half, batsmen did exceptionally well. They put a very good score and brought opposition under pressure. So, and then our bowlers capitalized that opportunity and we finished it well.
Well, congratulations again and thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Turned out to be a batting display that the Indian batters would not be very proud of in the end because the scoreboard pressure was always on them trying to chase down 348. When you have your number 10 batter as the top scorer, just tells you a story, doesn't it?
Yeah, obviously this was a great pitch to bat on, great batting conditions, great outfield. Just that it was too fast and too furious to start with, and they lost the way by losing wickets. It's a huge total, and you've got to occupy the crease for at least 50, 45 overs, somewhere in between to get to such a total. It just doesn't happen in the first 10 or 15 overs, and that's the mistake. I think when Surya was going so well, the others just did not require to match him. They just had to take their time, allow him to be himself, and then take it from there onwards, 10 overs by 10 overs, build up partnerships. But of course, all that wasn't seen. And remember, we're talking about youngsters, so they're only in the learning curve.
Absolutely, 4 wickets for Ali Raza today. This is what happened in the India innings. Remember, under the pump already had a great start with Vaibhav Suryavanshi going hammer and tongs in that very first over. Got 20 odd, and you knew that the chase was on at that stage.
Yeah, he was on fire to start off with. Then this happened. Mahathre, just a foolish length ball, just driven straight to mid-off. And then the wickets started to tumble as Aaron came in, a tentative start. Then a couple of boundaries, one on the legs, a couple driven through the covers. And he looked $1 million before he was caught on the short ball. Surprising with his pace. Sayam bowls the hard ball, the heavy one. And then the next over, Ali Raza does the job. He picks the big one of Suryavanshi. And then Subhan comes in. He cleans up another batter. And Pakistan go on top after picking up Vihan.
And you expected Vedant Trivedi to come good to the bat. Unfortunately for him, again falling victim to that short ball from Siam that rushed onto him. Again, Kundu carried on with some big shots before he just simply gave a catch to the fielder, a third man. Subhan claiming that wicket.
Then a bit of resistance from the batters in the middle, and then Chauhan went trying to pull one. Short ball working really well for the Pakistan bowlers. And these are some shots played by the lower order, Killen Patel. And then he tried to go straight, but only managed to get to Sayam, who caught him really well.
Well, Devendran said, I'm going to have a go. The other end, Henil Patel holed out in the deep in this fashion. Hassan, who was brought on, picking up a couple of wickets. There was some big hits from Dipesh Devendran. Took on the fast bowlers as well. Couple of skiers, one of them put down in the deep. That went for 4, but that didn't deter him. The inside edge going for 4 as well. Finally, he holed out in the deep.
Yeah, catch well held, well judged. And to end the successful campaign, this catch was taken. And Ali Raza, well, who is talking? Because he is signalling to